chia seeds, half cup of almond milk, and some water. This is gonna be cooked for a while, probably 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna stir it continuously. It probably take for a while, and once it's being a little bit cooked, I'm gonna start putting other stuff in it. Now it's what happening is after a while. So the idea is we have to continuously stir it, because if we leave it, it might be burned at the bottom. I think probably I'll give 5 minutes. Maybe I need to put more water, but right now I think it should be okay. It's pretty hot, and you can see it's getting a little bit concentrated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting my stuff. So I'm gonna first start with cranberries. I'm gonna put coconut. I'm gonna put almond. I'm gonna put raisin, pistachio, and then I mix it gently. Okay. Ajwa dates. Now my last favorite thing is saffron. I put a bit saffron here. It's too much. Is my wife can see me and that much saffron I'm putting in. All mix. Last thing that I'm gonna put is my favorite thing is cardamom. I put 4 cardamom. Best thing that I like about this is no sugar. Then you see this yellowish color because of saffron, and the smell of dates with cardamom. And then if you can see oat, fully cooked, and chia seeds, almond, pistachio. Okay my friends, so a very easy, quick 5-10 minute breakfast is ready. Very hot. This oatmeal, I don't know, yeah, crunchy because of almond and cardamom. This is saffron. At top was date, little bit sweet. मज़ा आ गया. It's very good, very healthy as you see it. My favorite tea, cinnamon ginger with a Turkish touch. So this is my breakfast, guys. Keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell button for the notification. Thank you very much, friends.